one is ginger.
Io l'ho mangiato subito io.
Very traditional Indonesian food and cereals. To make gado gado, first we will make the peanut sauce. This is ground peanuts. I fried, deep fried, means using blender until a ground like this. Yeah. And then we have palm sugar. Palm sugar. This is the caramel sugar.
Caramel sugar.
We have Kaffir Lime,
Ah,
Lime.
Bali Chilli,
yeah.
and from the filling we have blanched vegetables. This is long bean and bean sprout. We blanch the vegetable first, and then this is we call Longton.
Longton.
It's a sticky rice basket. This one made from banana leaves. To make this one, we make the basket first, and then we put rice inside, just half of the basket.
Yeah.
And then we boil until 2 hours. Then becomes sticky rice.
And then
Yeah.
it becomes bigger.
Becomes bigger. That's why we put just only half. If you put too much, it will boom explode. And now make the peanut sauce first. Put the chili. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomato. Then make sure you break the chili first to make not one bite very spicy.